Okay, welcome back. So if you haven't heard, the market took a dip last week. And if you did hear, did you take this as an opportunity to panic sell? That's always fun. Or buy some more of your favorite stocks. I continue to deposit $50 on the 1st and the 15th every month, as I do with the $100 a month portfolio. So the reason I'm making this video is I just want to share a little bit with you of the philosophy of this channel and my philosophies as a dividend investor. So I buy long-term, buy and hold, and the daily market chatter is just background noise to me. I'm in the stock market to accomplish my goal of having a passive income. The key element of that being passive. So, as much as it sucks to see red in the portfolio, I use it to lower my average cost. The $100 a month is truly passive investing. I deposit funds and M1 buys what M1 buys. As of now, I have $15 in dividend cash sitting in there, and as of this recording, April 10th, so in 5 days I will deposit another $50. I'll have $65, and M1 will buy whatever M1 is going to buy. But in my Schwab account, I use these panic selling days combined with limit orders to lower my cost. And if I come here to the full portfolio dashboard, so I was able to get 20 shares of Ford for $8.50 earlier this week. Not a huge get, but any opportunity to lower my average share price is a win. You can see Ford is currently yielding at 6.5%. My yield on cost is almost 5% because I'm upside down. My average cost is $12.16, where the current price is $9.14. So those 20 shares at $8.50 lowered it a little bit, and I will continue to buy into Ford until I hit two goals. I want to get my average cost under $10, and I want to hit 1,000 shares. After that, I'm just going to set Ford to the side and let it run on its own. Another way of looking at this is, let me get over here. Remember in 2020 when people that ignored the obesity epidemic were eager to shut everything down because it involved little to no effort? You could don a mask and become a hero. So much easier than exercising and eating right. All right, sorry, back to investing. So here's the tie-in. In March of 2020, which is right around here, let me see if I can, it's right here, March of 2020. You see we're up here at 3,400, I'll call it, on the S&P 500, dropped down to 2,300, so 1,100 points. So don't you wish you were buying more back then? It's now March of 2025. The world as we know it is ending once again, and there's the proverbial blood in the streets. How did you handle this? I hope you bought more of your favorite stock, or held it at the very least. Do you really think Johnson & Johnson is going to crash and burn? The people that are panic selling are quote-unquote traders with a different strategy than mine and should be ignored. So this massive decline in the market right here, March 17 to March 31st, then we peaked, and now it's a crisis once again. This here is a test. How did you do? Did you get scared and sell, or did you increase your dividend yield? I know what I'm going to do. One more thing I want to talk about that I found while I was preparing for this video is This guy, Mr. Robert Reich, posted this. It seems that Donald Trump wants a recession. Why? A recession will drive down the prices of real estate, companies, and shares of stock. Trump and his fellow billionaires want to buy up everything on the cheap and then enjoy the ride upward, no matter the cost to working people. So what I want to say is, I'm a working people. I'm not one of Trump's billionaires. I'm just a working people. But I too want to buy up as much as I can on the cheap, right here in the dip, and enjoy the ride upward. This is just cheap shots, TDS here. But I was curious. Oh, Robert Reich. Oh, net worth $4 million. All right, that just tells me everything I need to know. I don't know, jealous. They use the term billionaires so they don't have to, a few years ago it was, oh, the millionaires want to buy up everything on the cheap. That hypocrisy was just too blatant for them. Now they can use the term billionaires and so they can stay out of it. But I can assure you, Robert Reich also has a portfolio and didn't buy at the peak. I'm sure he bought when it was cheaper, just like anyone would. So again, this is just more effing noise. I don't want to curse on this channel. I'll try not to, but don't listen to the noise. When the market is going down, continue dollar cost averaging. Get as many shares as you can. Like I said, I want to get up to 1,000 shares of Ford, and then I'm going to stop buying, and I'm going to keep that low average cost and that hopefully high dividend yield, up to 6%, 6.5%. Yeah, count me in. I want to buy on the cheap and enjoy the ride up. All right, that's my rant. I just wanted to get it out. Thank you for listening, and I will see you in the next video.
All of which are American dreams!